Jingle, 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 jingle. Hey preppers, Santa's little helper here. The big guy is getting ready for the parades and asked me to tell you about the new Prepper Podcast Christmas giveaway. It's a tablet computer with 7-inch screen, Android 4, Wi-Fi, and a 16GB SD card. You can find more information on www.prepperpodcast.com. They've loaded it with tons of prepper stuff like how to build a chicken house, how to make tools, and also include the Covert Preppers 2 books. Go visit them at www.prepperpodcast.com and enter today. The contest ends December 15th, just enough time to get it shipped to you. Once again, that's prepperspodcast.com. Enter today.